Welcome back to yet another episode of the Explore UX cast, where we help you make sense of your users or your customers. I'm your host, Obruke. In this episode, we are going to be talking about how can one start learning about UX and data. When you first start your journey into learning about UX, user experience, and data, it can feel overwhelming. Both are vast fields that require a combination of creativity, technical skills, and a deep understanding of human behavior. However, starting with the right approach and breaking things down step by step can make the learning process much more manageable. In this episode, we'll explore how you can get started, what resources you can leverage, and how to effectively integrate data into your UX design process. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Before diving into the role of data in UX, it's important to understand what UX is all about. UX design revolves around improving the overall experience a user has when interacting with a product, service, or system. The goal is to make these interactions as intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable as possible. To start learning UX, it's crucial to first familiarize yourself with the key principles. You should start by understanding the concepts of user research, wireframing, prototyping, usability testing, and information architecture. These are the building blocks of any good UX design process. There are many free resources online to help you grasp these concepts, including blogs, YouTube channels, and online courses. Some of the most popular platforms for learning UX design are Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. You should also immerse yourself in the work of experienced UX designers. Reading case studies, watching design walkthroughs, and even joining UX design communities can provide insights into how professionals approach problems. Websites like Medium, Dribble, and Behance are excellent for finding design inspiration and learning from others' experiences. Once you have a basic understanding of UX design, it's time to focus on how data plays a role in the process. Data is essential for making informed decisions, testing design hypotheses, and understanding user behavior. Without data, UX design can be based on assumptions, which can lead to suboptimal user experiences. Suppose you're interested in discovering how to create products that resonate with users and elevate customer experiences through UX. I invite you to explore my 3 published books, the UX Consultant Playbook 1, 2, and 3. These books provide valuable insights and actionable strategies for improving your approach to UX design. See links in the description section. Love Explore UX Cast. Here's how you can make a difference. Be a UX champion. Chat with friends, family, and anyone who wants to learn about UX and usability testing. You can supercharge the show. Subscribe, rate, and review Explore UX Cast on wherever you listen to podcasts. This helps others discover the good stuff and lets the platform know we're winning. Let's talk UX. Leave comments on the podcast or social media. Got a burning testing question or a topic you'd love to hear explored? Hit me up. And join the UX crew by signing up for our newsletter on LinkedIn and connect with fellow UX enthusiasts. See links in the description. In UX, data typically comes from 2 primary sources: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data provides insights into user attitudes, feelings, and behaviors through methods like interviews, surveys, and usability testing. Quantitative data, on the other hand, involves numerical data that can be measured and analyzed, such as website analytics, heat maps, or A/B test results. To effectively integrate data into your UX process, you need to understand how to collect, analyze, and apply it. This means learning how to use tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Crazy Egg for quantitative data, and tools like lookback.io or Optimal Workshop for qualitative research. Each tool provides valuable insights that help you understand how users interact with your designs and identify areas for improvement. The first step in incorporating data into UX is conducting user research. User research is essential for understanding your users' needs, pain points, and behaviors. It can be divided into two categories: qualitative and quantitative research. For qualitative research, you can start by conducting user interviews where you ask users open-ended questions about their experiences with a product or service. This type of research helps you gain deep insights into user motivations and frustrations. You can also run surveys to collect user feedback on specific features or aspects of a design. Tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms are easy to use and provide valuable data for analyzing user sentiment. On the quantitative side, tools like Google Analytics allow you to track user behavior on a website or app. For example, you can see how many people visit a page, how long they stay, and where they drop off. This kind of data helps you understand which areas of your design are performing well and which need improvement. You can also use A/B testing to compare different versions of a design and determine which one performs better in terms of user engagement and conversion. Once you've collected data, the next step is learning how to analyze it. Data analysis is crucial for making sense of the numbers and turning them into actionable insights. If you're new to data analysis, you can start by learning basic statistics and data visualization techniques. There are many online courses and resources that teach data analysis. Websites like Khan Academy, DataCamp, and Codecademy offer beginner-friendly courses on statistics and data analysis. Learning how to use tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or more advanced software like R or Python will also help you analyze and visualize your data. Data visualization is another important skill in UX. Presenting data in an easy-to-understand format can help stakeholders and team members make informed decisions. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Google Data Studio are great for creating interactive dashboards and visualizations that present your data in a clear and compelling way. Love Explore UX Cast. Here's how you can make a difference. Be a UX champion. Chat with friends, family, and anyone who wants to learn about UX and usability testing. You can supercharge the show. Subscribe, rate, and review Explore UX Cast on wherever you listen to podcasts. This helps others discover the good stuff and lets the platform know we're winning. Let's talk UX. Leave comments on the podcast or social media. Got a burning testing question or a topic you'd love to hear explored? Hit me up. And join the UX crew by signing up for our newsletter on LinkedIn and connect with fellow UX enthusiasts. See links in the description. have done a previous episode where I talked about data visualization. Feel free to check it out. After learning how to collect and analyze data, the next challenge is integrating it into the design process. Data should inform every stage of your UX work, from initial research to prototyping and testing. For example, when designing a new feature or interface, you can use data to guide your design decisions. If analytics show that users are frequently abandoning a checkout process, you can use that data to identify pain points and redesign the process to make it more intuitive. Similarly, if user interviews reveal that people struggle to find a particular feature, you can use that feedback to improve the navigation or layout of your design. Data can also be used to validate design decisions through usability testing. By conducting usability tests with real users, you can gather both qualitative and quantitative data to determine whether your design is effective. Heat maps, click tracking, and session recordings can show you where users are clicking, scrolling, and getting stuck, while user interviews can provide more in-depth feedback on their experience. As you continue to learn about UX and data, it's important to build a diverse skill set. UX design requires a blend of creativity and analytical thinking, so developing both sides of your brain is essential. You should practice designing user interfaces, creating prototypes, and running usability tests, while also honing your ability to analyze data and make data-driven decisions. One way to build your skill set is by working on real-world projects. Start by redesigning websites or apps that you use frequently, or by offering your services to small businesses or nonprofit organizations. This will give you hands-on experience and help you apply what you've learned in a practical setting. Another great way to build your skills is by joining a UX community. Online forums, local meetups, and social media groups can provide valuable support, feedback, and opportunities for collaboration. Networking with other UX professionals can also help you stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in the field. Final thoughts. Learning about UX and data is a rewarding journey that requires a combination of curiosity, practice, and persistence. By starting with the basics of UX design, learning how to collect and analyze data, and integrating data into your design process, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled UX designer who can make data-driven decisions. Remember that UX is not just about creating beautiful designs. It's about solving real problems for real users. Data is a powerful tool that helps you understand those problems and create solutions that truly meet user needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge, the key is to keep learning, experimenting, and refining your skills. That's it for today's episode of the Explore UX cast. I hope you found this discussion on how to start learning about UX and data helpful. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, feel free to reach out to us on social media or leave a comment. I will leave additional links in the description section of this episode. Until next time, keep exploring UX. Cheers and have a good one.